Guys, welcome to Global Career. Guys, today video is very interesting because today we apply different jobs on Indeed in Pakistan. And today jobs is remote job and we apply step by step. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Google and then search Indeed remote jobs in Pakistan. Guys, you see this. This is a later jobs to July 2026. You you need to click this. Guys, you see this is latest jobs. Guys, first of all, you check this job. Scroll down and check the requirements. Guys, this job requirement is perfect, and then apply within date. Then check your resume and then continue. If you have any experience, so guys, I have many experience. This is not recommended, so scroll down and then you need to fill up this answer, otherwise you continue and you continue. Last, you check your detail and all your CV, and then I am not a robot. This is traffic lights. Guys, this is verify and submit yourself. And guys, we check different jobs. Marketing business online job. Guys, I need to check these requirements. Guys, you see this is a remote job. Apply within date. And then check your CV and then continue. One more time, continue. And finally check your detail and your CV and fill out this captcha code and then verify. Guys, this is verified. Submit your application. I move second page, meta specialist. Guys, I need to check this job requirements. part-time freelancer. Guys, this is online job. You note out these numbers because I send hours in this number or this email. So guys, apply within date. Guys, you check your resume and then continue. Guys, how many years of meta experience do you have? Guys, I have 6 years plus experience. So then continue. One more time, continue. And finally check your detail and fill out this captcha. And this is, and finally traffic light. Guys, this is verified. Submit your application. So guys, sales, digital marketing. Guys, this is online job. Marketing specialist, graphic design, social media, social media, multi, social media, multimedia manager, Google Ads specialist. Guys, you check this requirement of this job. Email, this email marketing specialist because we belong to marketing and this is the best job, email marketing specialist. Guys, you read this description one time, all detail. Guys, work location, this is a remote job and then apply with the date. Guys, you need to check your CV and then continue and then continue. Guys, you need to check all your information. If you need to change this information, then click edit and change your information. Guys, my information is totally updated and then I check all the information. I'm not about buses. And verify. Guys, finally guys, I am not about some video application. So thank you guys. We apply different jobs. Guys, you need to submit your application through our organization. So contact us. Our contact number and email is on description. So thank you very much guys. Thank you very much guys. Take care.